Welcome to Love Lines.
Habol sa oras na aga pa. Waiting before the bed. Naghihigaw pala ako. Hindi ko natanggal. Maminis kong pumasok sa ganito. Ako nag-sign. So, oh no. I've been missing you, baby. Oh, beautiful. Look at the butterfly up there.
Flower.
Yeah.
Flower.
Butterfly and a flower. So, it's Sunday, almost lunchtime, kaya ayan. At the back, yung city buffet, marami nang nakapila, waiting for the train na makapasok para sa kanilang lunch. Walk. Ooh, Harry's balloons. Look. Agahan ko dun sa loob. Siguro mga 12 na lang ako pasok. I'm gonna check everyone if they're there. Pero yakot ako magpabalik ng aking spiral hair. Yung aking hairdo. And there's the atrium once again. Lagi ko nagpahanap ko. And there's the Pau Pau. Yun yung Pau Park nila dito. Okay, ayan. Hanggang dun. So, bababa namin here again sa escalator. There's the very tall Christmas tree, whimsical holiday fun venture 2024 here at Fairview. Yan, there are toys on both sides of the escalators. Escalators, yeah. One escalator up and one escalator down. Alright. Okay, tour na tayo. Because I'm going out that exit door. Exiting na tayo. This door. Palabas dito sa exit. Dito sa annex door. Ayan, Christmas tree. There's the Christmas tree. And then there's, ano ba siya? Cute. That's cute. And then other decor here. Ayan. Far view. Okay. And there's the entrance of our site. Walking. May mga ibili ng ibon. Doon tumutungtong ang ibon sa signage na yun. Doon sila bumili. Okay. I'm gonna enter na. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Love Lines. Have a good day and God bless.